February 17th card opening. We have a special opening this Friday. We are going to be opening a Bowman Chrome Mega. I have a couple of these and just decided if we're going to do a blaster, and I saw the Mega and I thought we'll just open this. Okay. Chrome, probably my favorite Chrome release this year. Mega packs, 5 cold packs, quote unquote. They are cold, but I'm still looking to get that Bobby Witt base. I think we can still pull that here. I've had some good cards. I've grabbed Jeremy Pena. That's who I was thinking about the other day. Purple Jerry and CJ Abrams. Okay. Burger, nice. Damage control on the Burger. Jared Kelenic. Marte, Matt Manning, Vlad. I don't know why they made these cold. They should have just made these normal. Oh well. Matt Olson, Shane Baz, Mackenzie Gore, Kelly Ramos. I haven't seen Bowman's for this year's design. Got Tucker on the back. There's Jeremy Pena. Kyle Lewis, Reed Detmers, Brian Brexton, Kyle Tucker. Trout on the back. Joe Ryan, Albert Pujols, Ryan Vlad, Ryan Mountcastle, Mike Trout. Okay, Pete Alonso, Matt Olson, Shane Baz, Mackenzie. Okay, where's the Paul Goldschmidt? We're gonna look this up because I think we just pulled a duplicate. I see the Shane Baz, I see the Mackenzie Gore, I see the Paul Goldschmidt, Matt Olson, no Pete Alonso. So all except for one card was duplicates. Mackenzie Gore being at least in there. Goldie not being the right to return. So Bowman Chrome. Could have done it for J-Rod, could have done it for Bobby Witt. Oh well. Okay, Herman. Tega. Leonard. Anthony Gutierrez. And Roderick Arias. Got 3 first. I don't recognize any of them. Not a one. Swap for a second one. Lonnie White, Jackson Jobe, Kyle Wilson, Anthony Volpe. He's on the rookie. So kind of a dud mega box. No first on there. Jackson Jobe is off-centered. So not much in the mega box department there. Just kind of sad. Let's see, what else can we do? We'll open up one of these. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I don't want to sit on them. We'll open up. It is Friday, so we'll get the baseball party going. Look at that. There's still plenty of Bowman Chrome at my Walmart. The update's all gone. Partially thanks to me. I think there's like 2 blasters left, which I keep going back and forth on. Five packs. You should have 2 parallels in here. I crunched them up in the box nice and good. There are autos in here. That'd be nice to get one. There we go. Kibron Hayes, 2 out of 50. That's my second Keybron Hayes auto. Gavin Lux, Seizu Suzuki. We'll put him up there. Keybron Hayes has promise. He's just not going to be the masher that they thought he was going to be. Evan Longoria, MJ Melendez out of 25. Nestor Cortez, Lindor, Garcia, the Big Hurt. Good pack so far. Out of 25, Melendez. Out of 50, Keybron Hayes auto. Nolan Arenado blue. Josh Donaldson, Ichiro, and Benintendi. We're doing really good, I think, here. See if we can pull the J-Rod. Connor Joe, Rowdy, Walker, Matt Olson, Shane Bieber. Calm low down since we've got 3 numbers in a row. I don't expect a number in here if I don't remember. There's another Mackenzie Gore. Willie Adames, Max Scherzer, Luis Arias, Jose Altuve, and Ryan Mountcastle. So I'd say the Steve Aoki birthday celebration was better than Bowman Mega Box. As you can see, you got 2 good rookies, well, 3 good rookies, an auto, and a nice numbered Arenado. That's all for today. You take care.